Girl Key, thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, me and you. Yes, baby, we are on the road to success. Today I am reviewing this super duper cool product called Astonish, which is proven to get you $103 per minute using this technique called live streaming, in which it's so dope because listen to this. You don't even have to make no videos. You don't even have to be on a live stream and stuff. It's all done for you. Templates all done for you. Videos, and almost everything is integrated into this one compact software to help you generate $103, and you don't even got to go clicking over from screen to screen. It's all in one platform, all in one software. You can integrate all of your social medias into it. Super duper awesome, guys. I can't wait for you to just see the inside of the members area. If you're interested in making money online using Astonish, make sure you stay into the end because I will be exposing my super duper incredible bonuses in which will scale your Astonish business to success. Like way more than what they promise you on this sales page, baby. My bonuses is dope, okay? So don't miss out. Don't miss out, baby. Early bird gets the worm. Let's get into this review. All right, now we are on the sales page of Astonish. I just want to go over just a few little details of it. I already put you on to the intro, what it's all about. When it comes down to live streaming, and it's giving you the templates in the videos and a lot more when it comes down to what this product has to offer. This software is so dope, bro. So just look at the title. 5 clicks drive free traffic to 102 sources in 19 seconds. That makes us 103 in a minute, made for beginners with zero tech skills and zero experience, guys. So when it comes down to this 5 clicks, it's gonna be more than 5 clicks because you totally have to understand what this product has to offer. You got to go through the training courses and everything else. So it's gonna be more, but when it comes down to you learning, after you learn everything they have to offer, then it's gonna take that much time to do what they have to do what you have to do to accumulate the money they have to offer, if you understand what I'm saying. All right, so you got this autopilot free traffic in just 5 clicks. I told you it's not gonna be in 5 clicks. Once you get used to the software and what it has to offer, how it moves and operates, then it's gonna be in 5 clicks. All right, so it says 11 early users with Astonish results already. Worked for everybody, especially newbies. They quit their job, enjoying travel and all that good stuff. Fired from bosses and smash 2022 when it comes down to you being your own boss. And the best part about Astonish, bro, this is backed by a 365-day money back guarantee, bro. Who's gonna let you use their stuff for that long? You know, people they be having 30 days back free, and then you ain't even make no money in 30 days. And bro, I want to bring this back. But no, you don't gotta worry about that though. They are giving you 365 days, bro. That is dope, all right? So, if you want to watch this little video or whatever, you totally can. Just click my link in my description or in my comments to check out the sales page through my bonus page, guys, okay? So, this is the 5 clicks they were talking about. So, all you got to do is, you got to buy this first. That's the first click, bro. You got to buy this. You got to take that leap of faith, bro. So, second click, log into the dummy proof app. It's as easy as visiting in CNN and BBC or Netflix. BBC, that's funny. Pause. Click number 3, then select from hundreds of beautiful ready-made videos in a single click. Number 4, customize. Enter the link website you want free traffic sent to, okay? And then you got 5, baby. Enjoy that money. You work for that, okay, baby? Ain't no hard labor over here, period. Ain't no hard labor over here. This sales page is a whole bunch. It's like a storyline. It's like a story. You gotta look through the freaking key details. Where are these guys? Fact, all of the top marketers are using. Oh yeah, that's a fact. Live streaming is popular, bruh. You know on freaking no, it's TikTok. Yes, on TikTok they are going crazy on live streams, bruh. They got a lot of people going live stream, and when you go live stream with them and you follow their rules, you start to get followers. As long as you following their rules on TikTok, bro, you are gonna get their followers, bro. Live stream is where it's at. People is getting followers, bro. So okay, so this sales page is already repeating itself, so I ain't about to stay on there. So we about to head into the members area, and boom, we right here. Everything you need to know is on the left hand side of Astonish. You got the dashboard, you got the import account, you got video creator, my videos, live streaming, you got blast live videos, you got the Facebook posting, you got the comment automation on autopilot, baby. You know it be taking us, bruh. It takes us a few minutes to create the post. And then it take us longer to post a post, because you know when you trying to post a post, you be on the social media for so long and you get distracted from what you post. If you relate, just say I relate in the comments, bro. But bro, that is dope. Freaking, you got comment automation, bro. Be on people's comments. We be lost in the comments, bro. And now you got subscriber manager. You got the messenger bots. You got the broadcasting. You got the auto content, bro. This wasn't I just talking about that content created, bro. It takes time consuming. And then you got training. You got the bonuses they got for you, and all the upgrades in which you're gonna see all on my bonus page. So yes, we're gonna just go to this step by step. So I'm over here on messenger bots. Why would you do this? Why? Oh, that's with me. I wanna know. Oh man, why would you even do this, guys? All right, guys, I'm about to log in, and I'll be right back. Okay. We are inside the members area finally after they logged me out. So crazy. I was just with you, kick me to the curb. Okay, let me calm down. So right here we got the dashboard, latest deals for Warrior Plus. Okay, guys, right here, everything is integrated. You see all these names, bro. We got 40 plus things you can sell when it comes down to you promoting these live streams. Okay, so everything. You don't even gotta hit no freaking website, bro. Go to sales page. You don't even gotta go to the sales page. You just grab the freaking deal. Grab the deal and boom. Promote it with your live stream. Your live stream videos are all done for you. Just customize a little bit, bruh. And they got some done for you videos in which you can use and also freaking sell them on all these, what is it called, freelancer websites. Yes. And this is how you're gonna integrate your Facebook account. Remember, I said there's gonna be multiple accounts you can live stream on. I'm going to show you, but this is just you integrating your existing Facebook account. So right here, video creator, in which I was talking about, yeah, you can totally use this to make money. Okay, professional people be wanting some of these videos. So when it comes down to this remind me of Photoshop. So right here you got all these different layers. So I don't know if you can see, it's very, very light, it's white. So these are the arrows right here. So you see that I just clicked this box, and it's this right here. And you can see right here on this box. Okay, I don't want to, let me come over on this box. On this box is get started. So you click all of these boxes and you're gonna see where they come on, where this at? WW. So this one is down here, gotta be. So we're gonna come right here. So which box this is? It's supposed to freaking show you which box this is. Oh, so it's right there. So you see I pressed that I got rid of it, okay? So this is that right there. So all right, everything you freaking press, bro. Everything you press, if it go away, that's where it's at, bro. So I'm not even gonna complicate it. Press this I. You're gonna see it blinking at you bro. I see you. All right. So that's how you're gonna use this, bro. So you gotta make sure you know what you're doing. So I'm just gonna give you a little tutorial. I skimmed through it a little bit. It's super duper easy to follow. At first I was confused, and I realized, oh, they have it all in different sections, like Canva, super duper dope. But yeah, so you got the designs right here. This is Canva, bro. This is the software. Got all the designs right here, and how you customize this, how I just showed you in the beginning. Click that eye and let it blink at you wink, wink, baby. And they're gonna show you where exactly you need to type at. And right here, you got the library, so you can search up your niches. I'm gonna do cooking, and see they got somebody cooking. Oh, Chef Ramsay. I don't even know what that is. I know that's rice though. Yeah, I like rice. Ew, what is that? We got hot dogs on the stick. Okay, I'm be looking at food. I shouldn't even look that food. I'll be looking at food all day. So then you just type in you got the image. You type in what you want. You got the text right here. You got the elements. Oh, you got different. Text right here. Oh, you got cursor. You got all these different texts right here. Okay. Then you got the elements. You got that box square. You got whatever you want. You got whatever you want, bruh. You got the filters. You got the audio, and you got the layers. So these are the layers right there. Okay. Boom. That is dope, right? That's dope, bruh. It's mad stuff in here. Come on, because I have to go to my freaking bonus page. Moving too slow. So that was the video curator. That was dope, right? So you got my videos. Come on. My videos. All these videos right here are done for you, alright? So they just pinning waiting for you to use, alright? Mad of them. 7 different pages, alright? And then you have the live streaming. So, come on. Live stream right here. So we only have one right here completed for you, but as you can see, those videos right here, that's how you're gonna get those live streams popping. You're gonna make your videos, like they will create your videos, whatever, and edit your videos because they already made for you, and just use it. And then this is how you're gonna blast a live stream. Remember when I told you you're gonna be like put on mad different social medias or whatever? Look, mad social medias, bro. Was I lying? No, I wasn't. And then you got Facebook posting for you. And then you got comment automation. So they comment automatically to the people that's commenting in your freaking description. Dope, right? So you got the multiple posts, you got the CTA post, call to action post, and then you got the closure carousel slideshow. All right. And then you got the comment automation, you got comment templates, you got reply templates, you got automation. But guys, when it comes down to reply templates, you don't want to sound like a robot and stuff, but yeah, just a head up, you don't want to sound like a robot. And then you got subscriber manager, you got message box, you got broadcasting, you got auto content, and then you got that special training to help you utilize this the best way that you can, guys. I want to go right to my bonus page because it's the best part. We are running out a little bit behind schedule, so I'm just gonna get right into my awesome bonuses, guys. If you're interested in any of my bonuses, make sure you hit that subscription. Well, I said subscription. Hit up my comments in my description, in which you will be able to find a link in which I will have to my bonuses. All right, so this bonus from number 1, this is 60 different softwares and underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger profit with proper training by Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mays and more of the top vendors and affiliates in the game right now. We have softwares, we got training, we got a lot of stuff that's integrated in this 60 different softwares and underground techniques in there from your girl Key. Then we got bonus number 2. This is from Journal Armstrong, which I am partnered with. Learn how to get better conversion when it comes down to using these free traffic sources. And then we have bonus number 3, how to explode your YouTube channel, baby. So yes, live streaming is dope when it comes to YouTube. Learn how to explode it. And then we got bonus number 4. This is Boomerang Buddy. This is showing you how to optimize influencers from Instagram, how to pick the right influencers, because you don't want to go to any random. I did that. You do not want to go to any random influence that's not in your niche and just give them your freaking money. But yes, this is bonus number 5, all the vendor bonuses in which they have to offer, baby. If you want to pick up Astonish, it's very astonishing but not as astonishing as my bonuses. You see, my bonuses is dope. So yes, hit any of these pretty in pink buttons on my page and get your copy. This is a limited time offer, because if you see 0 on this page, you will not be able to get my bonuses. Guys, if you want to hit up your girl on any of my socials, scroll all the way down to my bonus page. Hit me up on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And if you want to get a more in-depth when it comes down to the prices and the upsells, come to my comment section and click that link. The front end price is $17. If you want to learn more about the upsells, you can, but I suggest the 17 one. It's really awesome, so don't even worry about that. I already went over this. So guys, this is an awesome product, guys. You seen what's in it. This is a limited time offer. This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Don't forget, me and you, we are on the road to success. See you in my next review video.